Hi, this is the Realme Narzo 16 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So let's first open the control panel and you should find here screen recording icon. If you don't have this icon here, tap to the three dots, click to edit titles and find here screen recording icon. Click to this plus icon and go back to save the changes. Now just to launch screen recording settings, hold this icon for a while and you'll see here sound section. We could record the system sounds and also we could record the microphone sound to comment something, for example. We could use these two options separately or together. Also, when we'll turn them off, we'll record the mute videos. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.